Less than 5 years after its original rollout in June 2015, Facebook Lite now has a dark mode, even as the feature continues to elude most users of the company's flagship app. Believed to have been originally reported by Android police, the Facebook Lite app on Android now has a dark mode toggle that can be switched on by folks who prefer a dark theme. The option is reportedly available in the latest stable version of the Android app, V186, available on the Play Store. In the absence of an official statement from Facebook, it isn't immediately clear whether the feature is only being split test. However, Apple typically designs on several tracks, and it's concurrently working on another design that uses both a Qualcomm modem and antenna. It could default to this option later this year, our source said. But that would require Apple to settle for a slightly thicker iPhone than it wants. Qualcomm has said that its QTM525 antenna module will support 5G smartphone design sleeker than 8mm thick, the report added.